Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create corpse bride on Dress to Impress. I did use some VIP items, and I'm going to do some of the items later. As you can see, I don't have the eyeballs yet. Don't worry, I will add that later. So I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, which is just the head here. If you want the makeup, it's actually pretty simple. For the eyes, I didn't use any. For the brows, I just used the curved one. For the lips, I use the newer one. I think I'm just going to make it a little bit darker, D38291. Then I use this contour in B7CDDD. And then for the eyes, I use this in white. And then the nose, I did this in this color. I'm actually going to make it a little bit brighter and a little bit more blue. For the hair, I just use this hair in the back toggle. And I think I use this color, 1D263F. Then for the veil, I obviously use this one from VIP. I colored it this color. It's here. And in black, positioned the Y at 0.44, rotated the X to 0.57, and I scaled it to 0.84. For the outfit, I used this item from VIP in those two colors, and then in gray, I think. Make sure the first one's in matte. Then I used this currency item in default, and I just colored it all the same color except for the roses. I did the gray element to it as well here. Maybe I'll add that to the pearls as well. And then for the leg, for the bone effect, I used this leg here. I did the left one also in that same color here. And then for the right as well. Then I'm just going to add on the shoes from the meat room here in that same color. Whoops. Now for the eyes, you're going to want to save the outfit. Oh, sorry, for the lashes, I forgot. I'm wearing the 8th toggle, positioned Y at 0.51. Then for the eyes, we're going to grab these earrings in black. We're just going to scale it all the way down first, and we're just going to position it here. Okay, so it looks kind of wonky here. I mean, it looks fine, but I want to make it closer to each other. You're going to save the outfit first, but you can do this in not free play, obviously. You're going to wear it again. Then you're going to grab the eyes here, and you're just going to scale it down again. And I'm just going to, whoops. I just said, okay, that's too small. And that's perfect. It's not too far apart, if you understand what I meant. I'm just going to also add in the bouquet of flowers for some extra decoration here. Should I do one arm or hold out? Let's do this. Actually, don't know what flower, what color flowers it is, so I'm just going to do this blue. I think it's gray actually, so let me just kind of go in between these colors. Also, I forgot to use the crown. I'm just adding it now. It's this one here. You can use the one with spikes too, but I just like this one a little bit better. I'm just going to kind of go back and forth between the grays here to create the crown. I think I might make the second one the darker gray, but that is it for this video. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Sorry, I might just switch this to the normal heels here. Sorry. Okay, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.